We've got an always-on model.
We kind of get 24-hour support or work because we talk about the things in our morning that have been worked on earlier in the day by the technical team, and then we do our part in our afternoon, and then it just keeps going around in a nice circle.
Once they understand how the team works, who the team is, how we've built the team in terms of architects, developers, project managers, client partners, they know what's going on.
Their whole team is available 24/7, weekdays, mornings, afternoons. There has been literally no time that I couldn't get in touch with them.
We put ourselves into that relationship with the client, and we really want to make sure that everything is going smoothly, not just the build out, but everything around it at the same time.
It's been great working with them. They are available around the clock. If I ever need them, I'm always able to get in touch with them. They're great to work with.
The team's awesome.